Hi, I'm Ellie Miriam. I'm the Closet Quilter. I have something to show you today that just came in the mail. Really excited. VIVILUX See More magnifier. This is very cool for a lot of reasons, folks. I like to go on the road. My husband and I like to travel. And I am stitching on 36 count, I think. 32 count, 36. It's really tiny. Look at that. That's real tiny. Okay. I'm menopausal. It's real tiny, trust me. So I got this, and it comes with this, anyway, it comes with 2 bags with, I think it's 3 and 7. 3 times and 7 times. Is this 3 times and 7 times? Hold on, I'll tell you. It comes with blah, 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 blah. Let me see. Okay, this is 7 times, okay? These, you can do it horizontally or vertically. You can stick that in. See? These are the lights. I have to charge it a couple hours before the light comes on. But this is the, let's see. This is the light bar right here. So this is how it works. You either put it around your neck, okay? And you can balance it, stitch, as you can see really well. That's really great. Not a lot of neck strain. It's really nice. Okay, or if you want hands-free on the table, if you have a desk, you're in a motel or hotel, and it's got this really cool kickstand. So you set it down, and this is the light bar. It is shining on the work. And you are sitting there just stitching. And it's so easy. Look at my neck. Look at my neck. I'm not craning. I'm not up. I'm not anything. It's just like your eyes are doing the work. It is so nice. This VIVILUX See More is awesome. Good job, VIVILUX. Go out and buy one. It's awesome. I don't get anything for it, but just the satisfaction of knowing my fellow stitchers are able to see their work and go places. It's nice, right? Saves our necks. Thanks for stopping by the Closet Quilter. Hope you get one. VIVILUX See More.